Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay money on Cash App. So first thing, that if you want to looking to use Afterpay, now rebranded as Cash App Afterpay through Cash App, here's how it works. So first, let's know what is Cash App Afterpay. Cash App Afterpay, previously Afterpay US, lets you pay for purchases over time with no interest. If you pay on time and no hidden fees, it's fully integrated into the Cash App platform. You can use it at checkout when shopping online or retroactively apply it to recent Cash App card purchases. Now, how to use it? At online checkout, shop at an online store separate Cash App Afterpay, then at checkout select Cash App Afterpay as your payment method, then provide payment details or login if you have used it before and complete the purchase. For recent Cash App card purchases within 7 days for a purchase minimum $25, open the Activity tab in Cash App. If eligible, you will see a transaction labeled Pay Over Time available. Select it to convert the purchase to Afterpay. You can enable Afterpay for the transactions via the Afterpay purchase details. So, where to find the feature in the app? Open Cash App, tap the Money tab, then select Afterpay, then choose Shop Now to browse eligible merchants to manage your Afterpay options. Now here's things to know: that no credit impact. Use Cash App Afterpay doesn't affect your credit score. Minimum purchase is for past purchases. Your Cash App card purchase must be at least $25. For online checkouts, merchants may set their own limits. And returns, if you return an item, your payment plan adjusts automatically once the merchants process the refund. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.